How to Retire with Enough Money by Teresa Ghilarducci, Voting and Civic Involvement. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. It's worth noting that Social Security and Medicare are more valuable than most people realize. According to the Urban Institute, a single man with an average lifetime income of $44,000 can expect to receive $536,000 in benefits when he retires in 2020. The estimated amount for a median income married couple is around $1 million. Social Security is a dependable program that can pay all benefits until 2031 without any changes in current policy. However, policymakers have a variety of simple methods they could apply to improve the system. Many Americans who withdrew money from their IRAs and 401k accounts early rely heavily on Social Security for retirement income. Yet, Social Security only accounts for 37% of revenue for average citizens older than 65. Given the generally inadequate retirement savings in the U.S., Social Security should expand and provide even more support. Your involvement in Social Security politics and activism can make a difference in helping lawmakers move forward. I hope you found the information about How to Retire with Enough Money by Teresa Ghilarducci. This brings us to the end of this book. Check out our YouTube channel if you're hungry for more knowledge and want to explore other books. It's chock full of informative videos and recommendations to keep you engaged and learning. So head on over and subscribe today. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.